বোলপুর শান্তিনিকেতন এলাকার প্রস্তাবিত শান্তিনিকেতন মেডিকেল কলেজের নির্মাণ কার্য প্রায় সম্পন্ন হওয়ার পথে। পূর্ব নির্ধারিত সূচি অনুযায়ী আজ 1 মে মেডিকেল কলেজের নবনির্মিত ও সুসজ্জিত সেমিনার হলে একটি জাতীয় স্তরের সেমিনারের আয়োজন ছিল। আমন্ত্রিত ছিলেন সারা দেশের প্রখ্যাত চিকিৎসকগণ ও অধ্যাপকগণ সহ বিশিষ্টজনেরা। এই সংকটজনক পরিস্থিতিতে ও সরকারের নির্দেশিকা অনুযায়ী তা আজ ভার্চুয়াল মোডে অনুষ্ঠিত হলো। দেশের বিভিন্ন প্রান্তের মেডিকেল, নার্সিং ও টেকনিক্যাল কলেজের প্রায় 250 জন শিক্ষক শিক্ষিকা এই সেমিনারে অংশগ্রহণ করেছিলেন। সরাসরি লাইভ টেলিকাস্টে বা সম্প্রচারে উপস্থিত ছিলেন 10,000 জন ছাত্রছাত্রী। সেমিনারে বিষয় ছিল অভিনব প্রযুক্তির সমন্বয়ে মেডিকেল শিক্ষার উত্তরণ। সেমিনারটির মূল পৃষ্ঠপোষকতায় ছিলেন প্রস্তাবিত মেডিকেল কলেজের প্রেসিডেন্ট শ্রী মলয় পিট। প্রযুক্তির সমন্বয়ে মেডিকেল শিক্ষার উন্নয়নের বিভিন্ন দিক আলোচনা হয়। ছিল প্রশ্নোত্তর পর্ব, কোভিড সংক্রান্ত কিছু প্রাসঙ্গিক বিষয়েও আলোচিত হয়। সব মিলিয়ে আজকের ভার্চুয়াল সেমিনার সার্থক হয়েছে।
Show my slide, please. So it is indeed my great pleasure to be here with you on this auspicious seminar on this innovative technology transforming medical education. Actually, this is organized by the Shantiniketan Medical College proposed, and I'm thankful to Mr. Maloy Pete, the president of this institute, and all his team for inviting me to speak in this auspicious seminar. So my topic is dermatology in the light of technological advancement. In this education symposium, I want to stress that now dermatology is not only a medical theory practice, it is also a technological practice. This is Shantiniketan Medical College proposed, a dream project, I think, which is coming to be fruitful very soon, and is going to be a center of excellence in whole Eastern India and even in India. So it is not what I feel, it's not a medical institute. Ultimately, it will cater the need of the healthcare system of the whole Eastern region. And very unique to this institute is that it will work as an integrated unit. It is associated technological institute, which is very rare in India. This is Shantiniketan Shivaniketan, a already very eminent place in this region as a medical institute and as a wing of this medical college. And now it is dedicated as COVID hospital, and which we can be boastful that this is fulfilling the need of the hour. And we have seen that it's been prepared and working as a war-like emergency in this area. Now dermatology, if we give training to postgraduate students, it is not only the topical drugs or systemic drugs. Nowadays, last 20 years, the advancement in the dermatology is medical in advancement, but it is more so in the technological advancements. So if we give training to our postgraduate students, we need extensive training in developing technological expertise in using these latest gadgets.
Everybody, can I open my slide, please? I'm really happy that Swadhin has organized such a virtual webinar, and really I was very happy while listening to Dr. Ghosh also and all speakers. So thank you very much for organizing such type of conferences, which is really beneficial for us. So here I want to tell about the innovative methods in nursing education. So if we see with that nursing and medical education, really it's not like other educational system, because we have to learn, not like that history, geography and all other subjects where we can study and we can write down only, but here we have to play a pivotal role for the economic growth of the nation. And not only that, effective learning and effective teaching is really very much essential for our medical and nursing education. So if we see that the effective teaching doesn't solely revolve around getting the vast amount of knowledge into the learner. So whatever we know we will put to the student, it's not like that. We have to just see their progress. We have to see, being a teacher, whether they are progressing from one level to another, because whenever they are coming to us, they don't know about this new technologies, new situations, and what is medical and what is nursing. So slowly this education is in the state of transition. So here, whatever they have studied in their plus 2 session school or school, so now this educational system is completely different. So here some old methods of teaching is being called into questions, and a new method of learning is being advocated to replace it. But at the same time, we can tell that that is the old method are really good, and that is the teacher centered method. If we see that the teaching methods, that is the conventional teaching methods and non-conventional teaching methods. So just age old method, that is the conventional teaching method, is the age old method. This is the as back to basics, that is the traditional or customary teaching. It refers to a teaching method involving teacher and student. And not only that, here we know, all of us, we know that the teacher is teaching and students are sitting in the classroom, and they are just listening to teachers and nodding their head. And sometimes we know that students are sleeping also, and talking, chatting, like that also they are doing.
Bureau Report, ACN Life News.